Welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing a tiger from letter T. Let's draw and paint together. First, draw letter T. Let's turn it to a tiger now. Tiger is one of the biggest and most powerful wild cats in the world. Tigers live in forests, grasslands, and swamps across the Asia. Have you seen any tigers? If yes, then you can comment below. Tigers are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Do you know tigers are great swimmers? Tigers often hunt at night. Tigers are endangered, which means there are not many left in the wild. Let's paint the tiger now. Tiger is my favorite animal. What is your favorite animal? You can comment below. Let's color together. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. you on the next video.